It's easy to import a list of students from an Excel file into a ClassJournals student roster. But to use Excel, you'll need to do this on a PC or Mac and not a tablet. And of course, you'll need to have Excel installed. If you haven't created a class yet, create one now by clicking on the Manage Your Class button from your home page. Then type the name of your class in the Enter Class Name text box on the Your Classes screen. Then click the Add Class button. When your class appears as a list bar, just click on the list bar to access the Manage Your Class page. On the Manage Your Class page, click the Add a List of Students button. On the next page, titled with your class name, click Download Excel Class List Form. If you don't have Excel, you can use a text file or a Word file and accomplish the same thing by clicking on the Download Text Class List form and following the instructions printed on the form. But Excel is probably the easiest. It's likely you have access to a digital document containing your class list that your school provides, and it will be easy to cut from that document and paste the information into the Excel form you download from ClassJournals. Open the downloaded form and fill in the blanks for each student: last name, first name, email, and password. In our example, we'll leave one of the emails missing so you can see what ClassJournals will do if it encounters an error in the list you upload. You can assign a temporary password, as I did here, and ask each student to change theirs. Or you can assign individualized passwords. In either case, save your spreadsheet on your PC so that you can tell each student what their password is. As the form will remind you, if the students already have accounts, perhaps another teacher using ClassJournals has already entered them, you need only include their email addresses to add them to the list. Notice that it's the same ClassJournals page we used to upload the completed form. You may still have it open. If not, just navigate back to it and click the Browse or Choose File button depending on the browser that you're using. Select the saved file and then click the Upload this list button on your ClassJournals page. On the Class List Loaded page, there are two buttons with plus signs. Let's click on both of these. Under the top button, you'll see problem cases, if any. Under the second button, you'll see a list of students successfully added to your class roster. You can easily correct any upload errors under the Problem Cases section by completing the blank text boxes and clicking the Resubmit button, as I'll do now. That's it. That's all there is to importing a student list to your class within ClassJournals. Be sure to check out our other video tutorials to learn about more ways to use ClassJournals to enhance your teaching and classroom experience.